when I saw it, I was like, I gotta hit him up and see if he could at least meet me and get it.
Man.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
looks good. All right, here's my second late night road trip in the last 2 weeks. This time I'm headed to West Virginia to get a 371 piece lot. It's supposed to be tons of Marvel. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of commons. I'm not expecting a ton of grails. 2.5 hours away. The wife hooked me up, man. Getting ready to leave and I get in the car to this. What a lovely wife I have. Says I love you. Drive safe. Love, Jay. Oh, she's so perfect. She just got home from picking up the boys from school, and I gotta head right out. It's not totally dark outside yet, as you can see as I'm passing through some of the trees, but it's getting there. So right now it has me scheduled to get there in West Virginia at right around 9:37 p.m. And then that's with me charging once. I gotta charge for 20 minutes. And then on the way home, I've gotta charge for almost an hour, but then I'll be home by 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock in the morning, I should be home. But it's all good, we got it. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we gotta do. We gotta go above and beyond to get these lots. You guys know that. Above and beyond to get these lots. Take the late night trips. Go the extra mile. Do what you gotta do. Make that extra call. Send that extra message. Do what you guys gotta do to get this, to get that next good lot, to get that next great lot, guys. Do what you gotta do. Let's make some money. Stopped at the charger. Gonna go into Wawa and get some snacks real quick for the road trip. Also gotta get some cash out of the ATM. Alright guys, I am about 14 minutes away, actually 8 minutes away, even better. So getting close, and I got lucky just now. One tip that I'll give you guys is when you're taking long road trips, hit up Facebook Marketplace, hit up your favorite apps, and search for people locally in the area that you're going that also might have Funko Pops for sale. Make the trip even more worthwhile and pick up multiple while you're down there. I got lucky, and even though it's late, I messaged the guy on Facebook who had a lot for sale as well, and he had a nice lot actually. It was all horror, which my community's been asking for. And on top of it all being horror, I noticed a Saw Pop in there, and that Saw Pop I went in Hobby DB'd it. It's worth $800. I'm paying $800 for the whole lot of pops. It's only like 54, but it's 53 other really good pops. I mean, they're not really good, but they're good enough. I'm gonna make all my money on that one. So again, just adding it into this lot makes it even better because I'm already here. So, you know, just a quick tip for you guys: whenever you're traveling, definitely look in that same area to see if anyone else in that area might have some pops you can grab while you're there. All right, I think I've arrived.
So this is all of them, and then I had this. I didn't know if you were interested. I want to get rid of everything.
Okay.
So yeah, they're all in boxes.
Sweet, man.
I just like to.
So you say you're just trying to get rid of everything, right?
You know, you were right. Like I said, it would take me forever to get this rid of the shop, and I said I collected them a lot. Every sets of the black lights, and I'm not gonna sit on for years. I mean, I got enough of them to sell down the road. Pokemon cards. This I just want to get rid of. I just been years collecting, and I'm just done.
I get it, man.
I worked at Target, so I was always getting the ones.
So you were lucky. You got all good stuff, man.
That's when I go to the Pops. I literally was like, I'm paying go here. I'm gonna pay my paycheck.
It's like I'll get this later.
I got this number one, but like him, it was.
I have those a lot. I get those ones a lot. Actually, this one.
Because I don't even care for it. So.
No worries. I'll take them. Yeah, so you said it was like 370 something, right?
You mean how
373, yeah.
I got the thing on that. Yeah, 3 something was a lot. But look,
Okay.
these all brand new. I never opened them. They even get the plastic on this. I see special edition. I found these in the back and I found them.
You were like, I gotta take these.
Well, because I went overboard. When I bought these things, my ex hated me because like, you're always buying them. They're an investment.
They're an investment. Later, they're gonna be.
I had a collection of Final Fantasy. I spent. Yes, baby. And I made my money back. I had spent thousands, and it was a couple years ago, 10 grand. I sold them all on the site, made my money back, and I wasn't proud. I was sad because I didn't want to get rid of it, but I was, I had to be up here with my daughter, and I needed the money, and I was like, more important right now is her, and I just wanted to make sure that she had everything.
I get it, man. Well, let me get you your money so I don't have to hold you up too late, man. 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. That's 4, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And I've had worse than that in the car, dude.
Really? In that car?
Yep. There's another 4. That's 8. And then it's a Tesla Model X.
Okay, damn.
So it's got space. It's just, I might have to rearrange some things, but.
I can imagine, man. Good luck.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I got one more 20 somewheres.
I know you'll make back your money 10 times. Fucking...
That's 1,000, right?
There you go. Perfect.
All right, man.
Wait.
Sweet.
Is it 1,000? Hold on.
Count, make sure. Yeah, right there.
Oh my God. My bad. Yeah,
you're like, it's short 20 bucks. No, it's right there.
I got you.
All right, I'm just going to probably take them out one by one, and then I got to...
Some of them have hard cases on them.
All right, cool.
Yeah, like I said.
Oh, man, I'm trying to push. I was trying to push. Sometimes you can do it. All right, no worries. Thanks. Let's see. Hey, man, I appreciate you. Hey, it'll be all right. I'm used to it. All right, on to stop number 2. Luckily, I got the guy meeting me here at the Tesla chargers. On the way home, too. Perfect, man. So appreciative of this guy. Awesome. I think this is him here. What's up, buddy? Hey, how are you, man? Let me just plug this in real quick. Every second counts, man. Dude, every second counts, man. This thing, yeah, you see, I just picked up. I'm jam-packed right now, so
Man,
let's see what you got.
Boxes, I don't know if that's gonna.
I'll make it work, dude. Trust me, I've had way more than this in there.
Yeah?
How many boxes we got? 3 or 2?
It's just 2.
All right, well,
53 total.
53 total. I believe you, man. You put that's the main one. That's the main one, man. That's all I need to see.
Yeah, I had I was a big fan of Pennywise. So I had Pennywise in there before then. But
this thing's a beast. That's why I was like, dude, where is this? When I saw it, I was like, I gotta hit him up and see if he could at least meet me and get it.
Man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
looks good.
Like I said, there's a place in Fairfax. I'm sure you heard of them.
Yeah, I heard of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they offered me obviously what I sent you.
Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Nothing else this guy says even really matters anymore. Livid is what I am, but we're just going to go ahead and watch the rest. Just stay tuned and see what happens. I paid the guy his money. We proceeded to look in the boxes, made sure everything was there, packed it all in the car, left, drove home about 20 minutes, then thought, let me look one more time at this really cool $800 pop I just got that I put in the passenger seat right next to me. And here's what happened. So unfortunately, on my way home, I decided to stop and just take one more look at this pop. One more look at it, okay? And luckily I did, because it's fake. Wasting my time, but it's okay. The other ones are legit. but this one is fake. I don't know if the seller knew or not, but just in case he did know, I decided to call him and tell him I wanted another item that he was selling so that he would meet me back real quick. And that's what he's doing. He's coming back. It's 11:20 at night. He's about to meet me. I don't know how this is going to go. This is pretty sketch. But at the end of the day, I had to get him back here so that he could see that this is fake. Here's why it's fake. Do you see the movie? Let me see if I can. All right. Do you see where it says movie? You see how that M is? How it goes all the way down? All right. Now let me show you a real one. On this real one, do you see the M in movie? You see how it goes halfway down? The middle of it only goes halfway down. That's how you tell it was fake. And I didn't pay attention when I grabbed it from him. I should have. But now I gotta deal with confrontation, and he has to come, and I have to tell him like, yo, man, this is fake. So I'm gonna need my money back. And I don't know how that's gonna go, dude. Hopefully not bad. But yeah, hopefully he's just like, all right, here you go, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't know. But he said he was coming back. He texted me after the transaction and everything and was like, hey, man, thanks again for meeting me. If you need anything, let me know. If I see any pop collections, I'll let you know. And I was like, all right, dope. Just let me know, man. So he seems legit. He seems legit. Is he legit? I don't know. We'll find out in a moment. But also the bottom of this is different too. You see how the bottom is? Apparently the bottom's supposed to have a picture of the guy on here. A picture of Billy on here, which it doesn't have. So the whole reason I bought that second lot was because of this. It was $800. And I was like, this is $800. So like one pop pays for the whole lot. So I'll get it. But without this pop, that lot's not really worth it. So we'll see. Stay tuned. So he just texted me saying that he's on the way. So we'll see when he gets here. What's up, brother?
What's going on?
Hey, man. Question for you. So I was sitting here looking at these.
Yeah.
Small issue. This one's fake.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Dang.
You see the difference? So this one's real. You see the movies? See the M's?
Saul?
No, the movie where it says movies at the
where?
top.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
See the M's? This one, so it's only supposed to go halfway down. This one, you see how it goes all the way down? See this one? And then there's supposed to be a picture of him on the bottom of this too. And it's missing.
Damn. I had no clue.
I believe you.
No, seriously.
I know you didn't. Because otherwise, like, all that, but again, like I said, I can't take it. I can't make $800
You're
off
not gonna
it.
make any money,
I ain't gonna make no money off of
What
it.
do you...
But the others, we can work out something on the others if
Yeah,
you still want to
what
do
you-
something on the others.
That one's good, though.
This one's real. This is legit. The problem is just that I don't know if the numbers are gonna be right for you now because my money was made on that one. That's kind of how I was working it all out. Now, I don't know what you got in mind or what, but because the others basically, I would only be at like $150 on those because they're, again, I'm not making a ton of money on them. So, because we were at like 6 on those, and I was
Yeah.
like basically $200 on the other ones is
Yeah,
what I was at. So, so you see that M?
I think.
So you see how it goes it goes down to the middle of it. That one's like a skinnier font, and it goes all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah. I see what you mean now. Yeah, I was clueless. I was like, what are you talking
Dude,
about the M?
literally, it's so little. It's such a small thing,
Yeah,
but
I see what you
but
mean
when
now.
I tell you my
I think you
buyers,
said the bottom. But...
I'll get like banned off of whatnot if I sell that.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Like,
So,
they do that all
it's
the
just
time
like
with,
I literally-
counterfeit, purses, designer bags. Yeah.
It's just, yeah.
I have the other box, but I don't know.
Yeah, you might want to use it since these is like. And I mean, like I said, that It just, I'm sorry, man.
I mean, you know, it's gonna happen.
Dude, I feel bad about this stuff like that, though. You know, it's just.
Yep.
All right.
And you should already have that. I sent it on in the meantime.
Cool.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, I would have smashed it. All right, I got that. Well, that didn't turn out so bad, I guess, considering. But I did have to wait there for an extra like 30 minutes for him to get there, and ended up getting home 2 hours later. So, needless to say, I didn't record anymore. Just was done. So, here I am back, and yeah, it turned out good because he gave me my money back. But I was still a little pissed. I got home like 2 hours later than I would have. I didn't get home till like 3 a.m. because I was waiting on this guy for like 40 minutes to get there. And granted, he didn't know, so I'm sorry. You know, I'm not sorry, but I feel bad for the guy. I really do. I genuinely feel bad for the guy. And then the lesson in this is just double check, triple check your items when you're buying this stuff, guys. Make sure that it's legit. Take your time when buying these pops. As you can see, and as you'll see in the next video, even the first lot wasn't all it was cracked up to be. So make sure you guys subscribe so you can see that next video. We're going to go ahead and drop that maybe tomorrow, maybe in a couple days, whenever I feel like editing. It's just a lot to edit. So we're doing the unboxing for that one today, actually. That's what I'm getting ready to do now. And I thought I'd shoot this quick ending. So see you guys on the next one.
If you have a collection you'd like to sell, be sure to reach out and see how we can help.
And if you're a collector, the link to our Whatnot show will be in the description of this video. Be sure to use the sign up link if you are new to Whatnot, and you'll get $15 free to use in our next auction.
Thanks so much for watching.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to see our next adventure. It really helps us out.
Until next time, guys.